L-Tron is a value-added solution provider.
In addition to truly customizing hardware and software and devices for a customer, we also help the customer select the right product for their needs.
There's a lot of companies out there that box drop. Here's an order, here it goes. We want to understand what you're doing with it, and we want to make sure it's the best fit. And we're going to work with you on that. And if there's some tweaks that we need to make it even better for you, we're going to do that.
We start with lots of questions and we listen.
They don't call us and say, I've researched everything, I need model number XYZ 123. They say, I need something that does this.
And we will start to put together in our minds what's the best practice and best equipment to meet those requirements.
There's a myriad of things we do for industrial automation, from industrial computing, test and measurement, to traceability, to I/O, to communications.
Knowing what our suppliers have and what's in the industry, we can help the customers that way.
Advantech is one of our key industrial automation suppliers.
We take pride in making sure that those that work here really understand the products, what they do, how to use them, and what's going to be the best solution for our customers.
Working with Advantech gives us a broad range of products to select for the correct application. Customer base is looking for longevity. They want predictability, they want reliability, and having a minimum of a 5-year design life gives them that comfort level that once they put the system in, not only will it work now, but it can be supported on into the future.
I think why we're so successful with our customer base is because how much passion we have towards our knowledgeability of products, of the applications, how much we care about the customers.
We spend a lot of time making sure we understand the customer and the customer understands us.
We're selling more than just a product. Our main goal is longevity for the customer and satisfaction.
Our goal here is really to have happy customers, and everything else is easy after that.
Right product, right application for the right customer.